Have you ever noticed how some mornings feel full of possibility, as if the universe is quietly whispering, "You can begin again today"? Let's tune into that energy. For the next 10 minutes, you'll open your heart to abundance, not as something far away, but as something already flowing through you. Take a slow, deep breath in and exhale gently. With each breath, you're aligning your mind, your body, and your spirit to receive, to create, and to expand. Let's begin. Take a deep breath in and slowly let it go. Feel the gentle rhythm of your breath, guiding you back home to this moment. There's nowhere else you need to be right now. Just you and the calm flow of your breathing. With each inhale, imagine new energy filling your body. And with each exhale, feel all tension melting away like mist in the morning sun. Now, feel the air moving in and out soft, steady, alive. Each breath is a wave, rising and falling, cleansing and renewing. As you breathe, picture golden morning light surrounding you, warming your shoulders, softening your chest, grounding your feet. The earth beneath you feels steady, supportive, calm. You're safe here, connected, awake to the beauty of this new day. If your mind wanders, it's okay. Simply notice and come back to your breath. This is your anchor, your quiet center, the space where peace begins. Now, gently bring your attention to your body. Notice how it feels without judgment, just awareness. Start with your shoulders. Let them drop. Release the weight they've been carrying. Feel your neck soften, your jaw unclench, your eyes rest. Let the muscles in your back melt into the ground beneath you. With every exhale, imagine your body growing lighter, as if gravity itself is giving you permission to rest. Your hands, your legs, your feet all soft, open, and still. You are safe to relax. You are safe to just be. Now feel the breath gently moving through your whole body, like a calm river flowing from head to toe. Every cell waking up with soft golden light. Your skin feels warm, your heart steady, your energy clear. Sense the gentle support of the earth beneath you, quietly holding you, reminding you that you belong. This is your morning foundation, grounded, peaceful, alive. Now, bring to mind one thing you're truly grateful for this morning. It could be something simple, the warmth of sunlight, the sound of birds outside, or the gentle rhythm of your breath. Let that feeling of gratitude expand in your chest. Imagine it glowing softly, like golden light, spreading through your entire body. With every inhale, this light grows stronger, warming your heart, calming your mind. With every exhale, it flows outward, touching everything and everyone around you. You are surrounded by peace, by love, by a quiet joy that asks for nothing, only to be felt. Now imagine this golden light moving beyond you, flowing into the space around you, filling your room, your home, your morning. Each breath you take sends ripples of gratitude outward into the people you meet, the work you do, the world itself. Feel how abundance isn't something far away. It's right here in this very breath. A cycle of giving and receiving. You breathe in calm. You breathe out kindness. You breathe in trust. You breathe out love. And as this rhythm continues, you become the source, a living current of gratitude and abundance, steady, radiant, and free. Take another slow, deep breath in, and as you exhale, gently repeat these words in your mind. I am calm, I am centered, I am open to the good this day brings. Feel each phrase settle softly in your body. Let these words become your quiet rhythm, steady, peaceful, unshakable. You are exactly where you need to be. Every breath you take invites clarity. Every moment ahead is a chance to begin again with kindness, with focus, with ease. Now, let the next breath in feel a little lighter. And as you exhale, imagine any tension leaving your body melting like mist under morning sunlight. I trust myself. I move through today with gentle strength. I choose peace over pressure. I am grounded in gratitude. Allow these words to ripple through you, not as something you force to believe, but as something already true, quietly waiting for your attention. Notice how your body responds, maybe a soft warmth across your chest, a release in your shoulders, a stillness beginning to bloom inside. This is your calm, and it doesn't depend on what happens today. It lives within you, steady as your heartbeat, ready whenever you pause and return to it. Take a slow, deep breath in and gently exhale. Feel your body begin to awaken, balanced, renewed, and ready for the day ahead. Notice the subtle aliveness in your hands, the soft rhythm of your breath, the lightness now resting in your chest. Carry this calm energy with you into every action, every conversation, every little moment today. You've given yourself this gift, a peaceful start, a clear mind, and an open heart. When you're ready, begin to bring gentle movement back to your fingers and toes. Stretch softly if it feels good, and slowly open your eyes. Return to your morning centered, calm, and fully alive. And if this practice brought you peace, I invite you to continue your journey with the next meditation in this morning series. To keep this clarity flowing through your day, have a beautiful day ahead. And remember, your calm is always here, whenever you choose to return.